Alright, this is the beginning of the ArcCatalog section. In this section, we're going to be learning different stuff about the ArcCatalog. So we are already familiar with the ArcCatalog from our geodatabase video. So this is how the ArcCatalog looks like, and a thing you can notice is that if you connect a folder to ArcMap, then that connection is also visible in ArcCatalog, as you can see here. And if you connect a folder using the ArcCatalog, it will also be visible in your ArcMap application. Okay, so in ArcCatalog we have here File, then we have Edit, View, Go, then we also have the same geoprocessing as in ArcMap, and here you can see the Arc toolbox as well. And then we have Customize. Here from Customize you can select different toolbars. As you can see, it has a bit less toolbars than ArcMap. And then we have the Windows and then the Help. Okay, and then here we have the catalog tree. We'll go into that a bit later. Now we have our folder connection here. If I open up the folder and let's just say let's open BGD administrative area, there we go. And if you click on a shapefile from here, you'll see the shapefile contents. If you are in the contents tab, it will tell you about the contents. And then if you go to the preview tab, it is going to give you a preview of the geography of that shapefile. And if you change the preview from geography to table, then you can also see the the data associated with that shapefile. Now the attributes table, actually it is the attributes table. Now let's switch back to geography here. Now if we go to the descriptions tab, you'll see that you can add a thumbnail to that specific shapefile, and you can also write a summary, a description, you can give credits, you can set limitations, and then the extents are given here as well. So these are the things you can see of a file from ArcCatalog, and this is it for this introductory video to ArcCatalog. We're going to see something more in the next video, and I hope you got to learn something new, and as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.